minute. Who are you?
Good morning. So today today's video is sponsored by Embellished Kinks. This is what the box looks like. So I want to come on here and look a mess before we look like a baddie. I'm trying out a new lens, so bear with me. I really like this lens better than my other one. These are clip-ins, and if anybody knows, this is my real hair, all of my real hair. I'm going to take this out and put my clip-ins in, and we're gonna get cute. We're gonna be a baddie today. So I'll be right back when I take all these out. Okay, so I removed all of the twists that I had in my hair. I'm gonna read off of my phone. I love reading info off of my phone. So Embellished Kinks hair is their bundles and clip-ins. So whatever you prefer. These are handmade wigs and clip-ins. They're actually made for African American hair. They're made for your natural hair. So we're gonna try them out. I've always wanted to do clip-ins. This is a black owned business. I've always wanted to do clip-ins simply because it's like I want weave, but I don't, and I don't want to put that on my hair. So the box, I already opened it, so I apologize. It comes in this really nice box, and then the hair comes in a satin bag. And then I was trying some of them yesterday, so they don't look as appealing. So I'll just grab one. So this I got 22 focus. I got 22 inches. So the textures that are in the catalog are queen coils, afro coils, relaxed romance, blissful kinks, afro coily, and goddess curls. These are all for different textures. Mine is going to be more so the relaxed romance because my hair is relaxed. I've always gotten my hair relaxed. I don't know what my natural hair looks like. I don't know what my natural texture would be, but this is my hair when it's freshly permed. I got my hair permed yesterday. And yes, so it comes with a little brochure manual as well, and the owner is really nice. Okay, really nice. So there are life-loving tips for your wefts. There's also maintenance, shampooing and conditioning, and pre-installation things that you should do. Now mine, I'm gonna show you. This is how it looks. So as you can see, it is more on, it's on the ethnic side. It's made for your hair. So we're going to put some in and see what happens. See what magic happens. So I've never done clip-ins, so let me grab something. Longer ones have 4 clips on them, like this. And you just put the clip-ins in. And the reason I'm doing this with my hair not blended is so that you can see what it looks like compared to my hair. This one, they're all different cuts, basically, is what I'm trying to say. So you can put more to make your hair as full as you want. That's why I really think I like it, because it's so many. Hold on, here's the braid. To me, you'll place them everywhere. Well, to make your hair full. So without straightening my hair at all, I just brushed it. All I need now is to straighten it with a straightener, and it will blend. So I'm gonna come up close, and this is my hair. My hair is of course the fuzzy part, and then the clip-ins. And same on this side. My hair and the clip-in. So I'm going to straighten one side of my hair. I'm trying not to use heat on my hair a lot, y'all. So to blend it with the clip-ins, we're gonna straighten one side, and I'll be right back. So this side is straightened, and as you can see, you don't even know where the clip-in is anymore. And this is length. Now remember, it's 22 inches. I'm 5 foot, so you're not gonna be able to see all of it. But this is the side that's blended, and this is the side that is not. I think this is a great protective style for one, because if you want length, you don't have to pull on your hair, because this is all the clip-in and my hair blended together. I'm shook. Okay, as I told y'all, I didn't want to straighten my entire head on this side, simply because I'm trying not to damage my hair. I just got my hair done yesterday, and my beautician does not want me to use heat on my hair. But for the sake of the video, I did use it on this side, just to show you truly how amazing these clip-ins are. Like, this company deserves all the coins. It's Black owned, they're handmade, so the quality is amazing, and you get what you pay for. And you literally cannot, you don't know where my hair is at all. Okay, so we're amazing box. And it is superior quality extensions catered to embracing the natural you, literally the natural you. This hair is amazing. It's not like, I don't have anything to say. My hair color is, I dye my hair jet black all the time. So for this to blend like this, and I just got a perm, amazing. If you can tell where the clip-ins are, comment. I want to see if you can find them, because I can't. So this is my hair brushed out, no straightening. This is my hair straightened and blended in with them. And then I can also get a brush and brush it. I love it. I would definitely recommend these clip-ins to anybody with black hair, ethnic hair, natural hair. This is the perfect alternative if you want length, and they come in an array of textures to cater to your hair. Okay, in the midst of taking pictures, I actually did put all of the extensions in my hair, and I kind of straightened my hair. I kind of gave it a natural look. Hold on, let me fix this. So that's better. I decided to put the entire extensions in. So this is my hair. My makeup. Don't come for me, don't clock me, it's hot outside. Let me turn the light off. Give a more in-depth version of the hair. It's kind of hard to, I guess, give a review or promote a product without getting fully dressed. A girl wants to see how you look fully dressed, boo. These clip-ins are amazing, look. And then I think I can show y'all where I put one of them. It is the clip-in. And if I take it out, you got this right here. Amazing. Wait, hold on. Amazing quality. Here they are. The clips that will be in your hair. And then as always, when you put in clip-ins, you know you want to section off your hair and put them in. So let's see if I can find another one. Okay, right here. And there you have it. And the removal process is just as easy as putting them in. So these two were of course at the front of my hair. I guess I'll remove them all and kind of, hold on. Okay, see, really easy. This one was another 2-piecer. And then the ones of course in the back of my head have 4 clips. Let me see if I can get one. Okay, and the key when doing clip-ins is always to make sure the clips are as close to your root as possible. That's what allows them to stay and makes them look natural. Okay, here is the 4-clipped one. For the focus, that was in the back of my head. There we go. These are constructed really, really well. For me to have never had clip-ins, I still know what they look like and I know when they're terrible. You can tell that the owner of this company values her work. Again, you're amazing. Because the quality of these can last you a very long time with the proper care. I would definitely recommend investing in clip-ins, and of course from a beautiful black queen. So all things will be linked in the description box below. I'm shook. So I'm gonna leave all of the information in the description box below for you to check them out. All links, including the hair that I have, the clip-ins I have in my hair. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.